Diving was first introduced in the official program of the Summer Olympic Games at the 1904 Games of St. Louis and has been an Olympic sport since. It was known as fancy diving for the acrobatic stunts performed by divers during the dive. This discipline of aquatics, along with swimming, synchronized swimming and water polo, is regulated and supervised by the International Swimming Federation, the International Federation for Aquatic Sports. History: the first Olympic diving events were contested by men and consisted of a platform diving event and also a plunge for distance event, which heralded victorious the diver who could reach the farthest underwater, while remaining motionless after a ground-level standing dive. At the 1908 Summer Olympics, men's springboard diving was added to the program, replacing the plunge for distance, regarded as uninteresting. Women's diving debut happened at the 1912 Summer Olympics in the platform event and was expanded to springboard diving at the 1920 Summer Olympics. A parallel platform diving event for men, called plain high diving, was presented at the Games of the Fifth Olympiad. No acrobatic moves were allowed, only a simple straight dive off the platform. It was last contested at the 1924 Summer Olympics, after which it was merged with fancy high diving into one competition renamed highboard diving. By the time of the 1996 Summer Olympics, the diving events were exactly the same as in 1928. However, 4 years later in Sydney, the inclusion of a synchronized diving variant for the springboard and platform events elevated the list up to 8 events. Another important change to the sport occurred in the 1984 Summer Olympics, when China was first allowed to compete, ending the ban imposed upon them by FINA because of the nation's government. China has won many medals since then. Medal table. Total medal count 1904 to 2016. Events. All events are named according to the International Olympic Committee labeling. Nations. The numbers in each cell indicate the number of divers that nation sent to that games.